The first look is in, and if you were expecting a dramatic redesign, this might surprise you. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip8 has just leaked through CAD-based renders, and at a glance, it feels almost identical. But that's where things get interesting. The Flip8 follows the same design language as its bigger sibling, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8, which also leaked earlier. Samsung seems to be locking in a formula now, refining rather than reinventing. And honestly, it makes sense. The clamshell foldable design has already hit a sweet spot. Dimension-wise, the Flip8 measures 166.8 by 74.4 by 6.6 millimeters when unfolded. Folded shut, and it becomes 85.4 by 74.4 by 13.2 millimeters. On paper, yes, it's slightly longer, a bit wider, and marginally thicker than last year's Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7, but in real life, you won't notice it. The only subtle win here is that it's about half a millimeter thinner when folded. Small, but satisfying. Now here's where things stay very familiar. The Flip8 keeps the same 6.9-inch inner display and 4.1-inch cover screen. No bump, no shrink, no surprise. That means Samsung is clearly confident in its current display setup. And to be fair, that large cover screen has already been one of the Flip series' strongest features. So if nothing looks different, what's actually new? That's the real hook, because all signs point to the upgrades being entirely internal. Think performance, efficiency, camera tuning, and possibly AI-driven features. Samsung might be playing it smart this year, focusing on what users actually feel instead of what they just see. And the timing? Right on schedule. If Samsung sticks to its usual playbook, the Flip8 will debut at the next Samsung Galaxy Unpacked in July, along with the Fold8 and a rumored wide-fold model that could shake things up in the foldable space. So, here's the big question. Are we entering the era where foldables stop chasing flashy redesigns and start perfecting the experience? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.